Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to create a Shopify store using artificial intelligence. So you can build a beautiful online shop faster even if you have zero coding or design experience. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your Shopify store set up and customized with the help of AI tools. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So what does AI do in Shopify? First, what does AI actually do in Shopify? Shopify now has built-in AI tools like the Shopify Magic that help your write product description, generate blog posts, create store policies, and even help your design your store faster. Plus, you can connect other AI tools for product image, branding, or ad copy. Let's see how it works. So you just need to be start your Shopify free trial. As you can see, if you're new here, you just need to be click on start for free. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the next page, as you can see it, and you just need to click over here sign up with email. If you have any email, or if you want to go with the sign up with Google, you are good to go. But I already have an account, that's why I will just click to the login. Once I click over here login, then it will redirect me or landed me onto the dashboard panel, and here you can see this is my admin panel here. So once you enter your email and follow the step to create account, Shopify will ask you a few questions like your store name and what you want to sell. When you are done, you will land inside your new Shopify dashboard. So now we are going to add product using artificial intelligence. So now let's add your first product with artificial AI help. So in your Shopify dashboard, you just need to click over here product. Once you click over here, then you will find out an options or button called add product. You just need to click over here, and even you will get this kind of an interface. So here you just need to be enter your product title. For example, it could be eco-friendly water bottle. So I am going to add eco-friendly water bottle. And now in the description box, you just need to click Shopify Magic. So here you can see this is the generate text options. So I am going to generate my Shopify description. This is a Shopify built-in AI writer. So describe your product in a few words like stainless steel reusable bottle for outdoor use, and it already been done. So let's fix all the things. Here you can see stainless steel reusable bottle for outdoor use. Let's click to the generate, and Shopify will write a complete product description for you. So let's hit generate button and let's wait a bit, and it will take a while. And you can check the tone also. I check it as expert. So here you can see we already get this one. So just click to the keep, and it already been added to our description. So now you can edit or regenerate it until you are happy. So now we are going to add our product image. You can upload on or use an AI image tool like Canva or Midjourney if you need original visuals. So let's do it. Like this is our what. So I will open a window and I will go to the Canva. So I will totally rely on artificial intelligence to create this one. So I will go over here, or I will search for Shopify product, and let's say the enter here, and actually you will get the image over that place. So I will click on of them, and then I will click this free one, just click this one and just click customize the template. Once I click over here, then it will landed me here, and I will just click to the add price. And now I will go to the Magic Media, where I can generate my image by using prompt or text. Just click over here and then click to the style, and it will be minimalist and it will be square. Let's click to the generate image. Once I click over here, the image will be generated perfectly. So it will take a while to complete the process, so we need to be wait a bit. So now actually you can see our product image has been generated. So you can choose your product image from that place, If you find out that these are okay, then you can go with this one. If you think that you just need to be generate all this thing, then you just need to be generate it again. Then I think it is okay. So I will download this thing. Let's click to the download, and then I will upload this image to our product page. So I will click on upload new. Once I click over here, I will find out this image here, and I already been uploaded here. Now you just need to set your price and inventory, then click to the save. I will give a price that will be 5, and the track quantity will be empty. I will uncheck this one and just click to the save. Once I click to the save, it will be perfectly saved here. Now eventually you can view this product on your website easily, and we make this product by using artificial intelligence. So here you can see it. Just click to the product and you can. So let's view this one. Just click to the eye, and here actually you can see this whole things over that place. It's really amazing. So now we are going to design our store with artificial intelligence. So now let's make your store look good faster. So you just need to click on online store, and then you just need to select theme options, and here you can see we already using a free theme that is Horizon. So you just need to pick a free theme like Dawn or Explore Premium theme, and then you just need to click customize to open the drag and drop editor. Just click to the customize, and here the editor panel will be open where you can easily drag and drop all the things. So inside this theme editor, Shopify will give you smart suggestion for layout, color and section. Here you just need to click add section for featured products, collection or testimonial. Use AI copy tools like Shopify Magic to keep your right catchy heading or class to action. So here if I click over here, and that place you can ask anything over here, customize your domain, and then here you can see they will provide you the setup guide. Just click this one, and here you can change or edit all the necessary things over that place, as you can see. So now we are going to create policy with artificial intelligence. So every store needs legal pages. So let's go back to exit, and then I'll click to the setting. Once I click over here, then here I just need to find out policies over here. Into the bottom you will find out the policies. Just click over here and use Shopify built-in AI generator to instantly create your standard store policy. You just need to edit them for your business. That's just click this way. Here just click to the automated, and here you can see it already been automated. So here you can change thing, and then click to the use this automated policy, and just click to the save, and it already been automated save. This way like saves you tons of time. Then we are going to add AI powered apps, like you can use also boost your store with extra AI tools like open the Shopify app store. Just click to the apps and sales channel, and then open Shopify app store. In here you can search for ChatGPT, like ChatGPT, and then hit enter. For writing product description you can use this ChatGPT 6 AI tools. Then you can use this Hey ChatGPT, like you will get couple of options. You just need to find out which one works perfect. Initially what you need may have free plans for beginners. Now if you want to generate themes by using artificial intelligence, you are allowed to do it also. So here you can see we have this option, design your store in a second. So here is eco-friendly outdoor. Just click to the generate themes and it will be generated. So let's wait a bit to generate the things. Let's talk about the launch your store, how you can. So if when you feel that you are almost ready to go, you just need to click view store to preview store, and then test your product page, links and checkout. And when you're ready, pick a paid plan and connect your customizations or custom domain, then click to the launch, and your AI powered Shopify store is now live and ready to customer. So here you can see these are done. I think these three are not enough cool, so I will click to the generate things again, and it will generate me again and again. So there is no boundary set it, so it's so much explorable. So you can explore it whenever you feel you just don't get your desired one. You just need to be click on generate theme and it will generate you. So we just need to be keep patience to complete the process. And here you can see that already been, I think this one is good, so I will click to the try theme. Once I click over here, and it will be like balance, theme name is balance, and it is installing theme. So we just need to be keep patience. Once it's done, then we will get the options to install it in here. So now actually you can see that our theme library has been added the balance. So I will click to the publish. Once I click to the publish, I just need to paste it here, and here actually you can see that it already been published. Just click to the preview to watch the design, and here actually you can see that it looks really amazing. All the things has been added, and the design is probably really amazing than compared to other theme in here. So let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. Now you know how to create a Shopify store with artificial intelligence step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell for more Shopify and AI tutorials every week. Got any questions about Shopify for using artificial intelligence for e-commerce? Drop them in the comments. I am always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.